Hi guys, this is John from Apollo Sprayers. So I have a question for you. How often have you walked around your shop, in your spray booth, wishing that you could drop your air hose down, but you can't because the turbine's running and the air's coming through the hose, and if you drop it on the floor, any dirt, dust, anything that's on the floor is going to get kicked right back up and go right over all of what you just sprayed. We've all been there, and guess what? I now have the answer for you. It's called a hose plug. It's this little guy right here. It's very simple and super easy to use, and it'll solve all your problems. So I keep one of these in my shirt pocket or in my pant pocket, and all you do is disconnect the spray gun from your hose, and when you're done, you just put that in your end of your hose, and now you can just drop it on the floor or wherever you need to. If you've got the precision machine, it'll automatically drop into power pause and start cooling itself down. And then when you're ready to come back to use it again, you just pull the hose plug out of the hose, reconnect it to your gun, your machine will ramp right back up to its preset speed, and you're ready to go. So check out the new hose plug. It's on Apollo's website, link in the description below.